Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Kristen with Life with Kristen. And in this video today, we're going to talk about playing and using blocks to improve your toddler's communication. You may ask, how are blocks going to help my child's communication? Well, there's lots of ways you can help with your toddler's communication or child's communication using blocks. In this video, we're going to focus on using blocks more from an articulation aspect, in other words, pronunciation of words. We're going to focus on the phoneme or the letter P today. Here I've made a list of words that begin and end with the letter P. P is one of the first few sounds that your toddler and or young child will be learning. P is part of our bilabial sound productions. The other sounds that you make with your lips, which is your bilabials, are M and B. So P, B, and M. And you'll notice that my lips come together. This is the meaning of bilabial sounds or phonemes. So, how do we use our words with our blocks to help our children learn? Let me show you. Let's take this first word here, pig, and I'm going to show you an easy way to use your blocks and break down the word so that the child can hear each sound, see each sound, and then we will put them all together for them to pronounce all at once. So, you'll need a dry erase marker and some blocks. Let's try that again. You'll need a dry erase marker and some blocks. I'm only using 3 blocks here with a 4th longer block as my base, and I'll show you what I mean by that in just a minute. So because we are using simple CVC words, which means consonant, vowel, consonant, CVC, that's the reason I'm only using 3 blocks in this particular video. So we're going to take the first word and we're going to write pig on our blocks. 1 letter per block. So the yellow will be our sound for P. Okay, put that down. Our next block we will put in the letter I. So for I. And then lastly we'll write the letter G for the end of our word. G, g, g. Now that we have our letters on our blocks, I'm going to use our 4th larger block as our base. And these will hold the blocks with our letters on it in the order that they are spelt for the word. So, we're doing pig first. So a good way to introduce a sound to your child is to show them P, P. Have them draw their finger or trace it around the letter P, P. Good. Have them place it on the base and ask them, what sound or letter is this? P. Good. Let's move on to our second letter. The second sound is I for I. Igloo. Good. Again, you've introduced the sound, you've modeled the letter, and we're going to put it on our block base. So now we have P and I. So you could practice with your child and say P, I, P. Good. Great. And now we will introduce the last letter, G. Always try to point to where the sound is made. G is made at the back of the throat. So you want to point back here. G, G, G. G, G, go. Excellent. Again, repeat this. Put it on our word-based block. And now your child is seeing the word pig. Now, they're probably too young to read, and that's okay. Here's how you can introduce basic reading even to your youngest of children. So we'll do kind of like we did with the individual blocks. We'll point to the letter and we'll say P, I, G. Pig. Pig. Great. And then show them a pig. 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 You can do this with each of our words on our list that we talked about. Teaching your children words while playing with blocks is a great way to not only introduce new sounds, but to introduce the same sound but in different positions of the word. So here in pig, it's at the beginning of the word, P, pig. But you'll see over here that it is at the end of the word. So we have cup. I do have a couple of words on this list that have the sound at the beginning and at the end of the word, which adds added repetition of that sound and articulation movement. So pop, pop, or pup. Good. It's very easy to help your children, 1, learn new vocabulary, 2, how to correctly pronounce or articulate the word, and 3, showing them the placement of the sounds that correspond to the word or vocabulary that you are teaching them. This is a super short video, and I hope that it provides a little bit of insight on how to use blocks while playing and giving your child the chance to communicate and improve their communication skills. If you have enjoyed this video, please feel free to like and subscribe. And I do have some other videos in the side that you may or may not be interested in. So feel free to check those out as well. Again, my name is Teacher Kristen with Life with Kristen, and I hope to see you all again soon. Bye-bye.